Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a clean with me type thing. My room is kind of messy, so I thought this would be the perfect video to make on a really hot day because I don't feel like going outside. So you will kind of see my bedroom. I'm going to do a completed room tour in about 2 weeks. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. But for now, you're just going to see me cleaning, listening to some music. That's usually what I do. And I'll have some nice background music.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one.
You like us and I got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. Pen and I ain't mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And I'm on one, yeah. You know I'm on one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
How's your baby? Regret got shit on, what you feeling now? Mad cause he ain't like me. Oh, you mad cause nobody ever did it like me.
All I care about is money and the city that I'm from. I'm singing till I feel it, I'ma go until it's done. I don't need to say what's up, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. You know I'm on one, yeah. I said I'm on one. You know I'm on one,
And I'm lying, I'm on a few, don't you worry, this ain't you. Can we take this to your spot? I'm on fiction number 2, cause I popped one. Oh, fuck it, I popped one. Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
same nigga that you knew way back when. You acting like it's somebody you don't know. Tell me how the fuck you supposed to stay friends when you got a bunch of feelings that you don't show. I can tell certain people don't like me no more. New shit don't excite me no more. Guess they don't really make them like me no more. You can look me in my eyes and see I hate myself. Cause if y'all what I created, then I hate myself. But still, let them girls in and tell them all leave them cell phones on the table when we see them. I'm all day with it, man, AM to the PM. Niggas hating, I just wish that they was saying when they see them all.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't judge me for being a dirty bitch. But if you want to see more videos of me cleaning my room, let me know. Any other video suggestions, leave down below. And subscribe if you're not already. Thanks. Goodbye.
I seen her, I knew she had to know.